Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my part 2 of my living room. Well, it's living room and kitchen and possible bathroom, but who knows. But I'm going to be finished decorating the kitchen and the living room with the items that I received. Yeah, they finally came. Thank you, Jesus. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. If you're new here, my name is Sarisha. Welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you enjoy the content, of course. So thank you guys for being here. Now without further ado, let's get started. I'm so excited about these pieces and I can't wait for you guys to see them in the space and everything put together. Happy holidays. It's almost Christmas time. I am so excited and sad at the same time because it's going to be over in a month. Well, for me it's like the 1st of February, just saying. Piece from Joanne, it was $9.99 at 60% off. It's a white, I think it's a soldier. Just love the white of it. Picked this up from Target Dollar Spot and it was for $5. I love it. I wish it had lights, but it's cute nonetheless and I absolutely love it. It's a ceramic. Got these 3 babies from the Target Dollar Spot. They're in clear white, green and red. They were $1 each and I love the 3 different styles of each, and that's why I chose the 3 different. This one is like 4-tier and this one is like just like that. So from Joann's, and this one was also $9.99 at 60% off, or was it 50? I believe it was 50 or 60% off. I don't remember, but you can watch my shop with me all and you guys can see. I love the white of it. I wanted the plain wooden ones, but I opted for the white. These candlesticks are from Temu. They come in 3 separate sizes. They're also available in gold and I believe bronze. I don't know, but I absolutely love them. They are adorable and again they come in 3 separate sizes. This house I got from Joann's. It was for $19.99 and I believe it was at 50% off, and it does light up. I think it has any batteries, I don't know. It does light up. It's from Place and Time, from the brand Place and Time. These I got from Temu. I thought they were bigger than this, but they are nice for the size, so decent, and it's really great quality. This one sits and this one stands. I love the 3D shape and design of them. Gorgeous pieces, and they were really affordable. They wasn't really bad. I got this also from Temu. It's animated, so it climbs up and down the ladder. It's battery operated. I love the design of it. And I got this from Amazon. I love it. It extends up to 4 feet and it can also, yeah, so this is my absolute favorite piece. This ribbon was from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. You can check out my storefront. You can light this up 2 ways, either by battery powered or you can use it via USB, and it also includes a remote control. These I can't remember where I got them from. I believe it was from either Walmart or Target. So from Dollar Tree. I still run out of ribbon, so I'm going to have to get more to add to the other cabinets over the sink area. But I love how the bows turn out. Okay guys, here's an overview of what everything looks like with the lights on, and then I'm going to show you an overview of what everything looks like in the dark. Okay guys, that is it for my Christmas clean and decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did and want to see more like this, please do consider subscribing. Hit this video a thumbs up if you haven't yet, and leave me a comment down below. Yes, I'm doing the intro before I decorate it, just to get it out the way, because I always forget, so that's why up here looks so plain and look the same. Just saying. But thank you guys. Until next time, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Mwah.